And that is the voiceover that goes with the scene with that voice being created by ElevenLabs. So how did those images and voices get created? Well, first what we did is to have this Google Sheet node, which will basically get the prompts again for us. You can see that its output is 30 items, which just correspond to the 30 image prompts that we have here in our Sheet 2. And the reason why we just need to do this step again is just to capture any changes that the user wants to make. So if, for example, we corrected some of the voice over texts here, then we want those changes to be loaded in N8N once we run this step. But now that we have those 30 prompts, we just pass it along to this call create voice sub workflow first, which if we open that, you'll see that its output are 30 items, which correspond to 30 MP3 files, which if you open all of those, that will just give you the voiceovers that we just created. So if we click on this link and view the sub execution, that will take you to this sub workflow, which is a pretty useful tool in N8N if you're creating with this platform. Because if you have other workflows that you need voiceovers for as well, then you can just call on this sub workflow in order to generate them automatically. But basically what we have here is you can see those 30 prompts being passed as well. It's being sent to this HTTP request node, which if you open that, you can see that we are passing the request over to ElevenLabs via the service called Fal AI. And if you go to Fal AI, they're basically an AI model aggregator, so kind of like an app store for AI models. So within their Explore page, you can see they have like hundreds of models here available for you to use. And if we search for ElevenLabs text-to-speech, this is basically the model that we are using and is also the one that we are requesting the voiceovers from here. So you have the address to send your request to. What you should also have is the message in what you are sending, which is here in this body section, which if we expand this, you'll see that what we are passing here is this format that is as per Fal AI's documentation. And these green dynamic values, if I shuffle through them, you'll find that we are passing along those 30 scenes, which are all the voiceover text that is coming from that Google Sheet that we loaded from earlier.